I had been hosted like more than 350 people.
350 people from all around the world,
Yeah,
right?
Germany,
Oh my
Korea,
God.
Japan.
You look good on this camera.
Yeah, my real person is really bad. I don't know.
Yeah, that's true. Yeah, we're going to the cafe called Fritz. South Korea is not renowned for good coffee, but I can tell you that there's a lot of good coffee shops.
Yeah, please let me know. I'm coming every year, you know? Every year. Remember, I like spicy food, kimchi, and anything, but no tofu.
No tofu. You serious? I love this design. Coffee Prince. Let's get in. Let's get in. Let's get in.
So, what do you want to
Oh, okay. Let's order it there. Oh my God, they serve really good food. Bread here.
I'm a poor traveler. Sorry.
Oh, NG.
Wow. Awesome. Hey, come try the bread.
I like it. Wow. Really good. Historical and traditional vibe here, right? That is their concept.
Did your subscriber know about Couchsurfing?
Oh, do you want to introduce something about Couchsurfing to my subscribers? They really want to travel a lot, but they don't know how to travel well.
I knew about Couchsurfing 10 years ago when I'm traveling when I'm studying in UK. I'm willing to accept all the challenge and are willing to try everything. So I mean, like, since we are young, like, why not just take a chance to, you know, to do something different.
Yeah.
Because if you do the same thing like other people, same thing every day, you know, like you feel afraid and then your life is not enjoyable. Like, I'm the host and I also sometimes I be the guest. But the big problem is people feel scared when they have other people in their home. Yeah, this is the most problem. But first thing, you have to read the reference first.
Reference first.
Yeah, reference of the people.
Yeah. Actually, the Couchsurfing was the service that made he and I met.
Yeah, how do we connect? You know, amazing.
I'm very thankful to them, but I want to hear your story about Couchsurfing. That how many guests have you hosted so far?
Yeah, so I started my Couchsurfing on 2010.
2010?
Yeah, 2010.
8 years?
Yeah,
Crazy.
I had been hosted like more than 350 people.
350 people from all around the world,
Yeah,
right?
Germany,
Oh my
Korea,
God.
Japan, Taiwanese, everywhere.
I'm not one of them, and
Yeah.
I'm from South Korea.
Yeah, for me, because for me, I feel like when we travel and meet more people, it makes us grow, like learn more things.
That's true.
Yeah,
That's
really true. Some people might say, Edwin, are you crazy? Like, you know, like you let strangers stay with you. But for me, it's fine. Like, I just want to try to experience. If nothing bad happen, I will continue.
I want to share our story when we met first. I was waiting him at the subway station. He just called me and I said, yeah, I'm here. And he just come up to me and, okay, I have a car.
Let's go.
Let's go. And I was shocked because we've never met before and I couldn't believe how he can believe me. I got in his car. Everything started from then. From that moment.
And then we speak and then we become really close.
Can you remember the first thing that you told me in the car?
Okay.
I remember that.
What's that actually?
You told me that, oh, HOSUNG, you don't smell.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, that is also the very important thing that I care because every time I host or meet some people, if someone, how can I say,
Smell bad.
It makes all of us very uncomfortable.
Yeah, first impression is very important. Some people, they want to stay with you because they want to learn something from you.
Yeah.
But some people, they just want to save money and get benefits, so you have to be careful. Sometimes, I mean, like, if you travel alone without meeting local, you can enjoy, but you only go for the most famous attraction like everyone know. But if you know local people, like you will know, you will get to know more the, like the cultural food, like more hidden food. Yeah, depend on you.
Yeah.
I think you should try to travel with local, really good. If you want to try, you have to read their reference because everyone will leave their comment, whether good or bad, and the host not able to delete anything. So it's good.
Yeah, that's really good. And sometimes if I'm worried about something, I send some message to people who left comment to the host.
Oh.
Yeah, that can be another way.
Yeah, same. Actually, same to me. I do that too. Otherwise, you can just like, you know, you just stay one night and after that you're not comfortable, you just leave. You travel to anywhere, you have to be careful. Just be careful.
If you meet the right person, you can have more like good relationship like us.
Oh, like me and you.
Yeah.
If the wrong person, I think just experience like, you know.
What was your worst experience on Couchsurfing?
Yeah, so worst experience is like actually a few years ago I met a guy from Italy.
Italy?
So for me, I easily trust people because I think everyone have no bad intention. So he traveled to, I think, Indonesia. Yeah, and then he don't have credit card. So he asked me to buy some buy some flight ticket. So the cost is like around $800. I pay by my credit card and he promised me he's going to pay me back by cash. And then when he came back, he told me that he don't have any money anymore, okay, and then he only pay me $50, and he said he's going to send me when he go back to Italy. And when I trust him, because I trust people easily, he paid me $50 and then he owe me quite a lot, you know. And after that, go home, he told me that the bank do not allow to send money to overseas, cannot send blah blah blah. At the end, he blocked me everything, and then that's all, my money gone. Yeah, so have to be careful.
There's a lot.
Then I'm the one that have to pay my bank.
How about good experiences? I think you have a lot of good stories.
Good experience I tried in Indonesia and Eastern Europe. I went to Eastern Europe and then I stayed 10 days there. So the family is very poor and then the mother is very good. She sleep on the sofa, so she let me to sleep on her bed.
Really?
Yeah, and then every day they cook a lot of, because they know I like food, they cook a lot of things every day, even they're poor, man. And then I went to their working place, I went to everywhere they went, my god, Bulgaria.
Bulgaria? Whoa.
Yeah, it's not a rich country, but the people there I met really good. I tell you, my mom's so worried. I just say I don't care. I take a flight from Turkey, fly to Turkey, and Turkey take a bus or something to Bulgaria, and then I'm the only Asian people. They check me in immigration. They look at why this guy going to, because Bulgaria, I going to the small village. Then my host is waiting for me at the bar. My god, so good. You have to try like sometime.
Yeah, life is all about memories.
Memory, I tell you, after you work or when you're getting old, it's very difficult to get memory. People is the best culture.
Wow.
Oh, you don't need to pay for anything, but
yeah,
you cannot expect that you might have a bed. Yeah, so Couchsurfing is like they give you a place to sleep. Maybe it will be on sofa or mattress. Yeah, that's all. Challenging experience is in Indonesia. The host is very good, but I have to share a small mattress, single mattress. 2 persons sleep on a single mattress. So small.
Why?
Actually, I want to leave, but I don't want to leave. But he's very kind. You know, when I wake up from the sleep, he went for work, and then the person beside the house bringing me breakfast. They say my host asked her to bring the breakfast to me when I wake up. It's amazing, I tell you, the toilet is terrible, but I enjoy a lot. Maybe all the time we are too comfortable and we have to experience something not comfortable too.
That's really good point.
So that we can appreciate more. Yeah, this is what I learned. So
for someone, Couchsurfing would be very dangerous, but they can give you a lot more than just accommodation.
Actually, Couchsurfing, you have 2 options. If you do not want to stay with them, you can choose to just hang out with them.
Yeah, hang out with them. Yeah,
you stay in hotel and then you just meet them for food and dinner.
Yeah.
But if you want to learn something like really, you know, from them, their culture, you should stay maybe 1 or 2 nights.
Anyway, thank you for sharing your stories on Couchsurfing.
So let's give a rate now.
Oh, okay,
so
let's give a rate to this.
For the environment here, I will give 10 over 10. For the coffee here, and 10 over 10. And the bread, I will give 8 over 10.
Okay. Excuse me, sir. You're finally here.